SLP cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost outline, all things considered in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP really faces obstruction at $0.03 in an all things considered large way. Smooth love potion really is as of now esteemed at $0.03 backing for the most part bears fundamentally has been laid out at $0.309 walk 2024. In this we will in every practical sense walk you through a beautiful smooth love potion cost examination for now or for sort of the following week and especially attempt to answer these habitually sort of gotten clarification on some pressing issues facts, what truly is momentary cost expectation for certainly smooth love potion, generally as SLP a wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Smooth love potion support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they really thought. However, prior to jumping certainly profound into the SLP's specialized investigation, generally let us basically discuss the truly current economic situations, which especially is genuinely huge. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a ruin of 184%, bringing the essentially whole cryptographic money market to $2 596 to 498, 391, 362 in an unobtrusive manner. The in every practical sense complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $149, 102, 264, 845 in a truly significant manner. Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, really in opposition to mainstream thinking, which in every way that really matters, brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which in a real sense is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum really has seen a value lessening of 0.9% coming to $3 to 917.23 during the past 24 hours in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $488.37, following a value change of 358% inside a similar time span in a sort of significant manner. Sol, the for the most part local coin of Solana basically is up by 49, and as of now exchanging at $147.19, or so they by and large thought. Moreover, XRP came to $0.62 in the wake of seeing a decay of 68% in esteem, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, which explicitly is genuinely huge. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market sort of is going in a genuinely descending bearing for especially present moment, showing how Sol, the local coin of Solana, especially is up by 49, and as of now exchanging at $147.19, or so they generally thought. Right now, a truly broad kind of regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how as of now, a general most certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Smooth love potion backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized pointers used to fundamentally recognize certainly key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they for the most part thought. Support by and large is a level at which purchases truly become sort of more especially dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which really shows that as of now, a kind of broad, most certainly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, showing how right now a very broad, extremely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unobtrusive manner. Similarly, opposition sort of is a level at which vendors really become move kind of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how SLP basically faces obstruction at $3, which especially is very huge. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of pretty smooth love potion. SLP smooth love potion execution, the in every practical sense, day-to-day diagram of certainly smooth love potion in a real sense, shows that the SLP cost truly has a by and large descending development with a 118% lessening in extremely beyond 24 hours, which generally shows that similarly obstruction basically is a level at which merchants fundamentally become move commonly dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing how SLP especially faces obstruction at $3 in an unobtrusive manner. The value worth of the for the most part smooth love potion SLP coin basically is remaining at $3 with market capitalization $137 to 76 313 US, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. SLP cost changes 4.8% throughout the week, While the exchanging volume certainly is floating around tell at 10.3 of 95 115 US to exhibiting how fundamentally smooth love potion backing and obstruction backing and opposition generally are significant specialized markers used to essentially distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, or so they especially thought. Smooth love potion value examination SLP cost. Investigation for X9000 Walk 2024 inside a truly day-to-day time span explicitly made sense of underneath. Further appearance how which basically brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134%, which all things considered is genuinely critical. We use in every practical sense relative strength indices, moving commonly normal combination and difference MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including exceptionally straightforward moving kind of normal SMA and remarkable moving truly normal AMA to for the most part dissect the future development of the essentially smooth love potion, so extremely smooth love potion backing and obstruction truly. A significant specialized markers used to distinguish especially key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which explicitly is very huge. The in every practical sense relative strength record RSI shows that the SLP coin basically is close. Oversold zone as RSI really is at 34, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.71% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a predominance of 16.33% in a truly significant manner. The MACD line especially is remaining underneath of the really signal line after a hybrid, exhibiting how truly smooth love potion value examination SLP cost investigation for X9000 Walk 2024 inside an everyday time span commonly made sense of. Beneath, by and large further appearance how which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $68, 330.89 level after a vertical development of 134% in a genuinely significant manner. Smooth love potion financial backers need to basically sit tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day outline, exhibiting how we utilize truly relative strength indices, moving genuinely normal assembly and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving essentially normal SMA and remarkable moving genuinely normal AMA to explicitly examine the future development of the especially smooth love potion. So truly smooth love potion backing and obstruction truly are significant specialized markers used to recognize fundamentally key cost levels where the pattern can take an alternate route, which fundamentally is very critical. While SLP's Williams %R marker by and large is at 73.578 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition. Exchange kind of sign explicitly is fundamentally conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how the overall strength file RSI demonstrates that the SLP coin especially is close oversold zone, as RSI explicitly is at 34, exhibiting that Bitcoin shares 51.70